से सबको करवाएंगे। आ जाओ भैया, आ जाओ।
Read the questions given below and share your answers with your classmates and teacher. What is your dream? Who inspires you to dream? What qualities
Inspires. Who inspires
you to dream? What qualities should you have in order of fulfill your dream? Abdul Kalam said, "Dream is not that you see in sleep.
अरे यही तो करवाना है।
Something that does not let you sleep. Discuss. What role can presence and community play to help children achieve their dreams? Complete the given web chart. Give as many reasons as you can.
आ जाओ चांदनी, तुम आ जाओ। नहीं नहीं, इसी को करो पहले, सबको इसी से करवाना है। अच्छे से करो। गिवन क्या लिखा है? बिलो नहीं होता है तो स्पेलिंग पढ़ के करो। पढ़ो ANS आंसर्स with classmates
and teacher. What is your
dream
dream? How
who inspires
your to dream? What questions
qualities
qualities
क्या लिखा है? should
you have in order to fulfill your dream?
Abdul
Kalam said, dream is not what
that
your dream in
your में लिखा हुआ है बस, you लिखा हुआ है। see in
dream is something
that
does not
let
you
discuss
what
role
can
क्या लिखा है? स्पेलिंग करो, जोर से पढ़ना है स्पेलिंग, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। पेरेंट्स
and
बोलो community
play to help children
achieve
their dream.
क्या लिखा है? complete
the
given web chart give as many reasons as you can. Others, yeah. Read
the
questions
question given
given
your classmate and teacher beat in your dream.
What is your dream?
What is your dream? With
Who?
who?
स्पेलिंग पढ़ के बताओ तो।
INSPIRES
Inspires.
inspires you to
Dream.
dream with
What?
what
Qualities.
qualities
Should.
should you have in
Order.
order to
Fulfill.
fulfill your dream.
Abdul.
Abdul Kalam said
Sad. Dream.
dream is not
That.
you see in sleep.
Dream.
Dream is
Something.
something that
Does.
does not lead to sleep.
Discuss.
Discuss what role
What?
on
Parents.
friends
Parents.
and
Community.
play to help
Children.
children
Achieve.
achieve their
Dreams.
dreams. Complete the giving
Babe.
wave giving as
Chart.
chat giving as
Many.
many
Reason.
reason
As.
as you
Can.
Read the question given
Below.
and share your answer with your
Classmates.
classmates and teacher. What is your dream?
Who
Who
inspires.
inspires you to dream? What
Qualities. Qualities.
quality
Should.
your help in order to
Order. Fulfill.
fulfill your dream. Abdul Kalam said, "Dream is not that you see in simple silly. Dream is something that does not lead you sleep. Discuss what
Role.
can
Parents.
parents and community play to help children
Achieve.
achieve their dream.
Complete.
Complete the given web chat give
As
as
many reasons
reason
as
as
you
your can.
classmates and teachers. What is your dream? Who inspires you to dream? What qualities should you have in order to fulfill your dream? Abdul Kalam said, dream is not that you see sleep. Dream is something that does not let you sleep. Discuss what role can parents and community play to help children achieve their dreams. Complete the given web chart and give as many reasons as you can.
आ जाओ आगे खुशी। तो आओ ना, स्पेलिंग पढ़ना, हम उसका मतलब बताएंगे। अच्छा करो, स्पेलिंग करो। वहाँ पे टच नहीं करना है, सीधे करो।
S
क्वेश्चंस।
GIVEN
गिवन।
BELO AND
and
SHARE YOUR
your पहले पूरा स्पेलिंग पढ़ लो, उसके बाद उसको प्रोनाउंस करना। आंसर्स।
Cut.
क्लासमेट्स।
and DESCHER
what is your
your DREAM dream WHO wow
who
ENSPIRES
inspires dream what DI नहीं
LITIES
qualities
SHOULD
should
वायु
वायु नहीं why YOU यू पढ़ेंगे उसको। आगे पढ़ो।
HAVE
have आगे पढ़ो।
in
हाँ
order
order
TO2 FULFIL Y-O-U-R.
See?
Y-O-U-R.
Yod.
Yog. D-E-D-R-E-A-N. Dreams. K-A-P-D-U-L. Avadul. K-A-L-A-M.
Kalam.
Kalam. S-A-I-D. Side.
Side नहीं sad.
Sad. D-R-E-A-N. Ren. I-S. Is.
कहाँ पढ़ रही हो? Is.
N-O-T. Note. D-H-A-T. That. Y-O-U. U. S-E-S. Dolly.
C.
C-E-N.
At. I-N.
I-N.
In.
S-L-E-E-P. Sleep.
Sleep.
Sleep. T-R-E-A-M. Dream. I-S. Is. In. S-O-M-E-T-H-E-N-G. T-H-A-T.
Something.
Something. T-H-A-T.
That.
That. D-O-E-S. Dots.
Does.
Dot. N-O-T. Not. L-E-T. Let. Y-O-U. U. S-E-S-L-E-P. Sleep. T-E-S-C-U-S.
रुक जाओ इसके बाद करो.
D-E-S-C-U-S.
Discuss.
Discuss. W-H-A-T. Wet. R-O-L-E. Roll. C-A-N. Can. P-A-R-E-N. T-S. A-N-T. And C-O-M-U-N-E.
N-E नहीं N-I.
N-I.
Community.
Community. P-L-A-Y. Play. T-O-2. H-E-L-P. Help. C-H-I-L-D-E-D-R-E-N.
Children.
A-C-H-I-E-V-E.
Achieve.
T-H-E-I-R.
There.
D-E-R-E-A-M-S.
Dreams.
C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E.
Complete.
T-H-E. This.
The.
G-I-V-E-N.
Given.
W-E-B.
Wave.
C-H-A-R-T. Chart. G-I-V-E. Give.
Pigeons.
Pigeons. AS. YOUCAN.
पढ़ी कि नहीं? पढ़ो। इधर आओ। हाँ, वहीं पे अब पढ़ो। पढ़ो। तो माइक ऊपर करके
Read.
रीड।
Read the questions.
करो। Given. थोड़ा उसको ऊपर करो। और ऊपर। स्पेलिंग के साथ पढ़ो। डी लिखा हुआ है।
DELOW. Below.
हाँ बोलो।
Below.
हाँ।
And SHARE.
शेयर।
Share. Your
अन।
Answered.
हाँ बोलो।
Answered. WITH.
With.
With. Your.
Classmates.
Classmates.
Mates.
Classmates. And TEACHER.
Teacher.
Teacher. WHAT.
What.
What. See.
स्पेलिंग पढ़ो तो लिखा क्या है? What के बाद
IS.
is.
Is. YO. You are your.
Your.
Your. BREAM.
Dream.
Dream. WHO.
Who.
INSPIRES.
Inspires.
Inspires. YOU. You. YOU.
You.
Two.
Dream.
Dream. WHAT.
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 Qualities.
Qualities. SHOULD.
Was.
Hmm?
Y-O-U-R.
Your.
Your. D-R-E-A-M.
Dream.
A-B-D-U-L.
Abdul.
Abdul Kalam. S-A-I-D.
Sad.
Sad. D-R-E-M-A-M. Dream. His. Note. P-H-A-T.
That.
That. You. S-E-I-N.
पहले C तब in.
C-in.
दीजिए अटेंडेंस दीजिए.
S-L-E-P.
Sleep.
Sleep. D-R-E-A-M. Dream. Dream.
I-S-E-G.
Is.
Something.
Something. T-H-A-T.
That.
That. D-O-E-S.
Does.
Does not. Let. You. Sulfate.
Sleep.
Sleep. D-I-S-C-U-S.
Discuss.
Discuss.
जाओ बैठो. अब खा जाओ.
मोनाली.
अरे आओ तुम. आओ.
And teacher, what is your dream? Who is you to dream? What possibility should you have in
Dara
order
ye.
to fulfill your dream? Where child is as many reasons as you can.
आओ. तुम आती है कि नहीं? ए तुम आओ.
That's
आ जाओ. आ जाओ. तुम बचिए. एक प्रियांशु बची है. आ जाओ. 3 तक पढ़ोगे तुम.
Read the questions. Mary.
रेडी नहीं लिखा है. गिवन. माइक करो.
Given.
Below.
Below the
And
and shall you
answers.
answers.
स्पेलिंग पढ़ के पढ़ो. With your classmates.
Classmates and teacher. What
हाँ.
is your
Dream. Who inspires
inspires you to dream?
आगे बढ़ो. What
What questions
qualities
qualities sad,
sad, there is not
dream, something that does not what can parents spelling करो क्या हुआ community help हाँ achieve their dreams complete the given web charts and given give as many reasons as you can पढ़ तो ली प्रियांशु आ जाओ पढ़ो compromise पढ़ो आर बंद कर दो